Hello everyone, please let me know now I am audible or not. Audio is coming or not. I am visible means both audio and video is now available or not. Please let me know in the chat box. Okay, so now everything is clear. Audio is coming and video is also coming. So welcome to Entri official YouTube channel, that is Banking 2.0, and I am Kashish Goyal, your reasoning educator. So in this session we will be doing the live mock test, and for what we are doing, that is SBI PO Pre 2020. As you know that SBI PO Pre examination is going to be held on 4th, 5th and 6th of January 2021. So before that we are having a complete mock test of reasoning, that is of complete 35 question with us now. Okay, so we will be doing all 35 questions. So before proceeding, first of all, I will let you know what can be or what could be the pattern of your upcoming SBI PO pre-examination. Okay, expected questions you can say, or expected pattern from how much or how from which topic you can expect how much marks or how many questions. Okay, so SBI PO pre 2020. So first of all, if I will say, there will be for sure four set of puzzle and seating arrangement. That is for sure. It means nearly about 20 marks it should carry. That is puzzle and seating. But now puzzle and seating, it can be like puzzle can be of floor based, floor and flat based. It can be anything, or seating can be circular, rectangular, or anything. Okay, but for sure from puzzle and seating you can expect four set, that is of near about 20 marks. Clear? After that we are left with 15 marks. Okay, and in that we will get all the miscellaneous chapters, like first of all you can have blood relation, that is of 1 to 2. Third, there is a chance that you can have syllogism, plus with that you can have inequality. Okay, I am taking 2 to 3 marks for syllogism and inequality because in the last examinations or previous examination I have seen that there are less number of question from syllogism or inequality, but we can expect from both the chapters including 2 to 3 marks. Okay, after that you can expect from distance and direction. Distance and direction you can expect 2 to 3 question again from distance and direction. After that it comes to be coding decoding, that will also be near about 2 to 3 marks, near about. Okay, after that it comes to be order and ranking. It could be again 2 to 3 marks. Okay, it can be again 2 to 3 marks could be there from the order and ranking as well. Now after that it comes to be some miscellaneous question, like if you can say alphanumeric. Okay, with that you can have word arrangement. Okay, alphanumeric word arrangement, or like the number of letters same as in the English alphabetical order, like that type of question. You can expect 2 to 3 question from those miscellaneous as well. Okay, so all in all, the most important point that comes to be, that is these four sets of puzzle and sitting. Now I am not saying it is for sure 4, it can be more, but that is sure 20 marks should be there from the puzzle and sitting arrangement, that is very sure. Okay, I think till here everything is now clear to you. So now we are moving on to our live mock test. Okay, I will be solving 35 questions and they will be the most expected. They will be the most expected. And mark my words, the type of question I am having here, that is 35 question I am having in this session, will be nearly, means 95% chances are there the questions will be somewhere like this. Okay, the pattern will be somewhere like this, that is very sure. Okay, mark my word. Okay, so now we will be moving on to our session. So let's see what we have. The first set that comes to be of a puzzle. Okay, and it is based on what? Month and date based. Now why I have taken month and date based? Because in the recent time I have seen there are loads of questions are asked from the puzzle that is from month and date based. Recently in many examinations I have seen the questions are based on month and date based, so that's why I have taken this one. But this is something different as well, okay, because it is SBI PO, so that is something different. So let's see what we have, how to solve the question. So 7% we have, that is L, M, N, O, P, Q and R, were giving a petition to collector on different dates, either 16th or 21st of different month, that is January, April, August and September, but not necessarily in the same order. In one of the given dates of the month, no one was given a petition. Okay, now see, total person we have 7, okay, but total dates we have around, or total dates we have 8, that is Jan 16 and Jan 21, April 16, April 21, August 16, August 21 and September 16, September 21. Is it clear? So total 8 dates are there, but the person is 7 and each person is giving petition at any one date. So on 7 dates there will be one person who is giving petition, but one date will be nil because there will be no one giving the petition. Now first of all, in such type of question you have to arrange your dates according to the calendar. Like in this table I have arranged the dates according to the calendar, like Jan 16, Jan 21, April 16, April 21, August 16, August 21, September 16, September 21. Okay, now most important thing that you need to have, or you must have in your mind, that is the number of days in each month. So Jan have 31, April have 30, August have 30 and September have 30 days. Is it clear? Okay, now let's start doing it. So first of all we have P and M gave the petition in the same month but neither in Jan nor in April. Okay, now see, P and M both should come in same month, but what they are saying, they are neither giving in Jan or April. It means they must be giving petition in what? Jan, April is not there for them, so it must be what? August and September. That is very sure. Done. Next, Q gave petition on an odd number date of the month which had even number of days. First of all, Q is giving petition on odd number date. So odd number date is, you already know that is 21. That is very sure. And also what they are saying, that it must be on a month which have even number of days. So even number of days have April or August. Yes or no? It is April or August. So it means you can have Q 21 or of April or August. Is it clear? Done. Okay, next, R gave petition in either April or August. Okay, so R is giving petition in either April or August. Next, only one person gave the petition between N and R who gave before N. Means there is only one person. Just keep one point in your mind, that they are saying there is one person. They are not saying there is only one date between N and R. They are saying there is one person, but also N and R who gave the before N. So it means it will be like this. R will be somewhere before N and there will be only one person. Why I am writing one person? Because there is a chance there can be one date that on that no one can give the petition. Okay, there is a chance. So that's why I write it down like this. There will be one person. Done. Okay, now L and P gave on the same date but in different months. Now L and P, okay, both are on same dates but of different months. Okay, done. Only one petition was given between Q and O who gave before Q. Okay, now see, there is only one petition was given between Q and O. Okay, so between Q and O there is only one petition, and O who gives before Q. So it means O must be before Q. So O must be before Q, and there will be one person, because if there is one petition there will be only one person between them. Done. Okay, now no petition was given on a date after N had given the petition in the same month. Now this is the most important sentence or most important line from where you can start your arrangement. But first let me understand you what this is. No petition was given on a date after N. So after N there will be a date on which no petition was given. First of all, it is clear. And had given the petition in the same month means N, and after that a petition which was not given should be in the same month, should be in the same month. Is it clear or not? Done. And last line I will read it, then I will start making it. L was not the second person to give the petition. Now L is not the second person. Okay, so L is not the second. Okay, now see, first of all, you know that between N and R there is one person, yes or no? And you already know that after N there will be the day on which no petition is given. So it means it will be like something this, yes or no? And these two person means N and the day on which no petition is given is of same month. Is it clear? Done. So it means where you can place them now, because R can only come in April or May. Okay, sorry, April and sorry, let me check. R gave petition is either okay, April or August. Okay, April or August. So see, if I am putting R on 16, so leaving one, N will come in August 16, and on this day it will be no petition, so it can be possible. But see, if you are putting R on April 21, is it possible? No, because if it is R here, leaving one, N will come here. So no petition day will come on September 16, but these two must be in the same month. So that is not possible. Okay, that is not possible. So it means there is a chance, first of all, R can be in April 16. Now after that, if you see, R can be on August 16, yes, because if R is August 16, leaving one, N can be here and empty can be here. This is possible. But can you put R on August 21? No, because after leaving this, N can come here, but after this there will be no day left. So it means there are two possibility for R. Okay, there are two possibility for R that you can put. First of all, it is on April 16 and second is on August 16. Is it clear? Done. Okay, now see, after R leaving one person there will be N, and on this day there will be no petition, and in this case R is there, leaving one, N will be there, and there is no petition on this day. Yes or no? Done. Okay, so this is clear. Now P and M must come in the same month, either on August or September. Now if you see in this case, that is the case number 1. If you see the case number 1, now we need P and M in the same month, either on August or September. So in August it is not possible. So it is for sure that P and M will come on these two positions, but we don't know who will come in 16 and who will come on 21. So I will write it down like this: P and M, P and M. Now can you make this possibility here? No, this is not possible, because in August you can't put P and M together, and in September there is no possibility. So this means this case is already wrong. Done. Is it clear? Okay, now let's see the next. Q should come on 21st of April or August. So Q will be on 21st or of August or April. So on August 21 there is no possibility, because this is a day on which no petition is filed. So it means it must come in April 21. So there you must have Q. And leaving Q before one person there will be O. So O will come here, yes or no? And we have left with only one person, first of all, that is L. So L will come here, yes or no? Is it clear? Done. Now L and P should be on the same date but of different month. Okay, L and P should be on the same date. So if L is on Jan 16, P should be on 16 September, yes or no? So it means you can't have M here. So if you don't have M here, it means M should be here, yes or no? And there you have the final formation. Done. Yes or no? Okay, clear or not? Please let me know in the chat box. Okay guys, please let me know in the chat box, is it clear or not now? And guys, please do like the session as well. Please do like the session. Please do like the session, guys. Okay, clear. Okay, so now moving ahead to the next question. So now see, this is a puzzle you have to make. Now the question that come will be based on this arrangement. There could be 4 or 5 question, okay, or most probably there were 5 question. Okay, so that will be easily done by the by this table. Okay, like they will ask you on which day the no petition was filed, that is August 21. Okay, such type of question will be asked, and we will not doing the question, we will just solving the puzzle set one by one. Okay, so now let's see the second set. Okay, so second is again a puzzle, and this is based on what? floor and flat. Okay, recently there is also one more type of question that is asked, that is floor and flat based. If you see, if you talk about 2018, okay, or 19, okay, 2000, most probably 18, there is only floor. But from 2019, like after August, like in IBPS PO or clerk, the question came to be of flat base as well. Means there will be floor, there will be flat. Like the question is 10%, that is P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X and Y, live in a building of 5 floor in Silicon Valley Society in Bangalore. The ground floor is considered to be first floor, the floor above it is 2, and so on. Each floor consists of two types of flat, that is flat A and flat B. On every floor, flat A is in the west of flat B. So first of all, we have to make the proper arrangement. So total we have 5 floor, and we know that there are 2 flats, and A is to the west of B. A is to the west of B. So I have taken A to the west of B. Clear? So let's see, only one person lives on each flat. Okay, done. Now start doing from here. So now what we have, X live on the second floor. Now X is on the second floor, but they didn't tell us whether in the A flat or B flat. So there will be 2 possibility, and 2 possibility will be X either on the flat A of second floor or flat B of second floor. Okay, these are the 2 possibilities. Okay, let's just cut it out by possibility. These are the possibility. This is the first possibility, this is the second possibility. Is it clear? Done. Okay, now U lives 2 floor above V such that they both live in either flat A or flat B of their floors. Okay, now this is very important. First of all, U lives 2 floor above V, what it actually means. Most of you will take it as a wrong statement, okay, because you will write something different what they have said. Okay, so first of all, they are saying 2 floor above means if V is somewhere, U will be 2 floors above, means at this place you must have U. Is it clear? And both of them will be in same flat, either in A or B. Is it clear? Done. Okay, next. T lives in the west of R on an odd number floor. Now see, T must be in the west of R, yes or no? And both of them should be on the what? Odd number floor, that is either first, third or fifth, yes or no? Done. And if they are, if T is in the west of R, means they must be on the same floor, otherwise it is not possible to be in the west of someone. Okay, next. Y, who lives in the same type of flat as that of T, lives either 3 floor below or above P in the same type of flat as that of P. Now see, this is very important. Y, who lives in the same type of flat of that T. Now see, if you know that T is in the west of R, so it is obvious that T will be in the A flat and R will be in the B flat, yes or no? Now Y, who lives in the same flat as type of T, so it means Y must be living in the flat A, yes or no? Flat A lives either 3 floor above or below P. It means there will be 2 floors between Y and P. There will be 2 floors, but we don't know who is living below and who is living above, of whom. And in the same type of that of flat P, means if the flat of Y is A, then flat of P must be A. Is it clear? I think till here everything will be clear to you. Right now it is clear to you. Okay. Now next, Q and R lives in the same type of flat such that Q lives 2 floor above R. It means above R leaving 1 there will be Q, yes or no? Is it clear? Because they are saying Q lives 2 floor above R, but both of them will be in the same flat. So if R is in the B flat, Q must be in the B flat, that is B flat. Done. Okay, now W lives neither on the topmost floor nor to the east of P. Now see, W can't be on the 5th, also not to the east of P. Done. So these all are the information is now given. Now let's see how to proceed it and how to solve it. That is the most important thing we have right now. Okay, now see, we need R, and R is, you know, that is either in first, third or fifth. But can you now put R on the 5th floor? No, because if you are putting R on the 5th floor, you can't have Q, because Q must be 2 floor above R. So on the 5th floor there is no possibility that R and T can come. Now the possibility left either in the first or either in the third. Okay, either in the first or either in the third, yes or no? Also you know that if T is in the A flat, Y and P is also in the same flat. and they must be having 2% between them. So if you want to put y and p in the flat number A, where you can put them? First of all, if suppose I am putting y or p anyone here, so leaving 2 below, you can't have one of them to be here. This is not possible. Done. Now if I am putting y or p here, leaving 2, y and p can come here. Yes or no? This is possible. So the only possibility that you can have for y and p is on the 4th floor or 1st floor. Yes or no? They can come here. Other than that, there is no possibility for them to come. Yes or no? Now to the immediate west of R, it should be T. So they can be on the 1st floor, but on 1st floor there is already y and p. Someone should come there. So it means you must have R and T here, and leaving one floor above R, there will be Q. Yes or no? Is it clear? Now if you want to put some same thing here, if you want to put whom, y and p, so y and p come at these two positions, or y and p can come at these two positions. So there are two possibility for 2, that is 2a. So x will be here. So first of all, y and p can either come here, then leaving 2, y and p can be here. Yes or no? And also there is a possibility y and p either come here and y and p either come here. Yes or no? I think it is clear to you now. Done. Okay. Now see, if you want to put T and R in this case, that is case number 2. Okay, in case number 2, see, you can have R here, T here, then can Q come here? Yes, this is a possibility. Yes. And if you are putting R here, sorry, T here, R here and Q here, this is also a possibility. Yes or no? But also you need U and V, and there will be one flat between them, and they should be in the same flat, either A or B. Yes or no? So suppose if I am putting, suppose R here, T here and Q here, is there any possibility left for U and V that come in the same flat and there will be one flat between them? There is no possibility left. So it means you can't put R and T here. That is very sure. Done. Now if you are putting R, sorry. Okay. So if you see in this one, okay, if you see in this one, there you must have x. Okay, there is x. So if you are putting, suppose R here, T here and Q here, again there is no possibility left for U and V to come, because there should be one flat between U and V. So it means this case is for sure to be the wrong one. And in this case, if you want to put R and T, that can only come here, R, T and Q. Again we need one flat between U and V. There is no possibility left. So this is also wrong. So only possibility that can be right is here. Yes or no? Is it clear or not? First of all, let me know this thing. Is it clear? Done. Okay. Now see, if you want to put whom, first of all, U and V. So U and V can come on these two positions. Yes or no? Okay. And U is above V. So U will be here, V will be here. Yes or no? Done. Now W can't be on 5th floor. So W can't be here. So only position left here. But also you know that W can't be with P. That is already given. So it means you can't have P here. So if you can't have P here, there you must have Y. Okay. And there you must have P. And the last person left will come here, and the last person left here, it is S. So S will come here, and this will make your final possibility. That is done. Okay, so now let me know, is it clear or not now? Done? Is it clear to you or not? And guys, please do like the session, and please do share the session with your friends. Okay, please do like and share the session. Okay, I think it must be clear to you now. Okay, so now moving ahead to the next questions. So total right now we have done 2 set of puzzles. Okay, so total if you say 10 marks are done right now. Okay, 10 marks are done till now. Okay, now the question comes to be on distance and direction, and it is coded. It is coded distance and direction, and you can expect, I am sure you can expect the distance and direction question, and it will be coded in the SBI PO pre. You can expect such type of question, because SBI PO is not a easy examination. Okay, you can say the toughest examination in banking examination is SBI PO. So that's why I have taken the coded distance and direction. So let's see. first of all understand the information given, because if you not understanding the information, the it is sure your diagram is going to be the wrong one. Okay, now let's see. First of all, a percentage 254 meter, b, it means a is 250 meter east of b. Now see, this is 254 but they are taking 250. It means you are taking the distance by subtracting 4 from the given distance. Okay, now if it is a and 116 meter of b, it means a is 126 meter west of b. It means now you are adding 10, and here 96, here it is 90, you are subtracting 6, and there is 20, there is 25, you are adding 5. So you have to keep these points in mind, where you are adding and where you are subtracting. Okay, so let's see, starting from here. Point M is and minus 4 meter point N. Now see, this is very important. This is minus 4. Now you will say, sir, how the distance can be minus 4? But see, you have to read the information. And means this information, this, and in this information you are adding 10, 116 and 126, that is plus 10. So if you are minus 4 plus 10, that will be the value of what? 6. It means M is in the west of N, that will be 6. Okay, so first of all, there you have M, there you have N, and it is 6 meter. Is it clear or not? Done? Okay, now next, N, which is at the rate 3 meter point of O. Now see, N, which is means they are talking about N, and N is at the rate 3. At the rate is representing this one. So N is in the north of whom? O, and it will be plus 5. This is 220, this is 225, that is plus 5. So it will be 8. 3 plus 5, that will be 8. So N is in the north of point O. So there you must have O, and it should be 5. Sorry, not 5, it is 8. It should be 8 here. Done? 8 meter. Next, O, which is percentage 16 meter point of P. Now O is percentage. Percentage means what? East. So O should be in the east, and this is 254, this is 250, means minus 4. So here it is 16, so it will be minus 4, that is 12. So O is in the east of P. So if O is in the east of P, this side you must have P. There you have P, because O should be in the east of P, and this total is what? 12. Okay, this total is 12. Now see, this is 16, but you have to subtract 4 because it is given in the information. Now P, which is question mark 14 meter point of Q. Now question mark is what? South. So P is in the south of Q, and also it is minus 6. It is minus 6, so 14 minus 6, it will be 8. So P is in the south of Q and it is 8 meter. So it is for sure that Q will come to the west of M, because if this is 8, this will be 8. Done? Okay, next, Q, which is percentage 10 meter point R. Now see, this is percentage. Percentage means east. So Q is in the east of R. So first of all, R should be this side. Yes or no? Because Q is in the east. And it is 10 here. And there you have minus 4. Sorry, plus 6. There is plus 6. So 10 plus 6, that will be 16. Yes or no? Done? Okay, next is R, which is question mark 12 meter point S. Okay, so R is in the question mark, that is in the south. So R is in the south of whom? S. Okay, so R is in the south, so it will be S here. Yes or no? And it will be what? 12. So if it is 12 and in the south you have minus 6. You have minus 6, so 12 minus 6, that will be 6. Okay, and S, which is and minus 4. Again it is minus 4, because in and you have plus 10. So it will be 6 meter. Okay, and means what? West. So S is in the west of whom? T, and it will be how much? It will be only 6. So there you have T, and it will be 6. Done? Okay, so diagram is done. Hope so the diagram is clear to you. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. If you have any doubt. QR should be 6. Okay, let me check. Q to R, percentage 10. Percentage. Okay, percentage 10. Q is in the east. Okay, this is 254. This is 250. This is plus 6. Guys, this is plus 6. So I have taken 16, guys. Anonymous Saharth, it is 16. Okay, it is 16. Sai Akhil, it will not be 6, it will be 16, because in the east direction you are adding 6. This is 54, this is 50. So you are adding 6. So that's why it is 10. So it will be 16. Okay. Now let's see the questions regarding this. So let's see the first question. What is the shortest distance between point M and P? So we need that shortest distance between M and P, means we need this distance. For this, you need to apply Pythagoras. For Pythagoras, you need a right angle triangle. So there you have the right angle triangle. Done. So see, this is 8 and this is what? Total it is 16 and it is 6. So it will be 6. So 8 square 64 plus 6 square, that is 36, and its root. Pythagoras theorem I am applying, and hope so you already know that thing. Okay, so it will be what? 100 root. So it will be 10 meter. It will be 10 meter. That is option number C. Now question number 2. In which direction is point S with respect to point O? So we need the direction of S, this, with respect to O. So if O is here and S is here, the direction will be this one, and this is known as northwest direction. Northwest, that is option number D. Now question number 3 of distance and direction. In which direction is point P with respect to point N? So we need the direction of P. Where is P? Here it is P. And with respect to N, so with respect to N, this direction is known as southwest direction. So southwest, that is option number C. Okay, very good, very good. Everyone is answering. That's great. So I think now till here everything is clear to you now. If anyone have any doubt, please let me know. Okay, so now let's move on to the next questions. Okay, so now the question comes to be on syllogism. Okay, so first of all, statement is every caps are fans. Now see, what actually every means. I have taught everything in my banking foundation course. What these words represent. Every means all, few means some. Okay, so every means all caps are fan. Okay, so all caps are fan. And then every fan are light, means all fan are light. Few lights are line. Okay, these are lights. And few means some lights are lines and few lines are codes. Okay, so few lines are codes. These are caps. Done. Okay, now let's check the conclusion. Few codes are caps. These are code, these are caps. We don't have any relationship between codes and caps. We can't see anything. So this will be wrong one. Now, few fans are codes. So few fans are codes. Again, we don't have relationship between fan and codes. So you can't answer it. Now, few lines are caps. So few lines are caps. Again, we don't have a relationship between them. Wrong. Few lines are fan. So these are line, these are fan. Again, we don't have any relationship between them. So this is also wrong. So none of the conclusion will follow. So answer will be none of these. Answer will be none of these. Is it clear or not? Fast, let me know in the comment section box. How second will follow, guys? How will second follow? Fan and codes. These are cap, these are code. Okay, so fan don't have relationship with the code. So none of these will be answered because none of the conclusion is right. Done? Okay, now let's see the next question. Now comes to be only few. Now you need to understand what actually only few actually means. Only few means you will include some plus some node. Both should be together. Okay, so only few table is bench. Okay, so if this whole part is of table, some part of table will be for sure will be bench, and some part of table will surely be not bench. That is very sure. Done? Now no bench is desk. No bench is desk, and all desk is chair. So all desk are chair. This will be the diagram. Okay, now let's see the conclusions. So first is all table being bench is a possibility. Now see, they are saying that all table being bench means you have to put all table into the bench. Is there is a possibility? Possibility, is there any chance? No, there is no chance. Why? Because they already said that only a few table are bench, means some part of table there must be which can't be the part of bench. So it means all table being bench, there is no possibility. So this will be the wrong one. Done? Okay, now second. Some chair being bench is a possibility. So some chair being bench. See, this is chair, this is bench. We don't have an exact relationship between chair and bench. So we can't say anything about that. So this is also wrong. So neither conclusion first nor second follow. That is option number D. Okay, sorry, this is a possibility, guys. Okay, sorry, this is a possibility. The answer will not be neither. Okay, the answer will not be neither, because they are asking some chair being bench is a possibility. See, we don't know exact relationship between chair and bench, so there is a chance that some chair can be the part of bench, and they are asking for possibility. Yes, there is a possibility. So only conclusion second follow, that is option number B. Yes, not E, guys, not E, only second follow will be your answer, because there is a chance that some part of chair can come into the bench, and they are asking for a possibility, so that will be the right one. Is it clear? Done? Okay, so now moving ahead. Okay, now first read the information that is given, because most of you don't read the information and you just keep going on like what they are saying, okay, or what is old pattern is, but this is something different. Now see, question consists of some statement followed by some conclusion. Consider the given statement to be true even if they seem to be variance with the commonly known facts. Read all the conclusion and decide which of the conclusion does not logically follow from the given statement using all the statements together. Now they are not asking which of the conclusion follow, they are asking which of the conclusion logically does not follow. They are asking logically does not follow. So let's see, just make the diagram first of all, then check the conclusion. So first of all, some sky is blue. Okay, so some sky is blue. All blue is good. Okay, so all blue is good. Some good is best. Okay, so some good is best. This is blue, this is best. No best is pink. Okay, so no best is pink, and all pink is color. So all pink is what? Color. So this will be the diagram. This will be the diagram. So let's check the conclusion. Which conclusion will does not follow, logically does not follow, you have to find out. First of all, keep this point in mind. So first, all sky being best is a possibility. Now see, this is sky, this is best. We don't have a relationship between sky and best. So you don't have a perfect relationship, so you can't find the definite conclusion, but they are asking for a possibility. So whenever they ask you for possibility, it means between sky and best you can have a possibility for all sky being best. So this is possible, but you have to find which does not logically follow. So first will for sure will follow. Now some good is not pink, so some good, this is good, okay, and this is pink. Now see, will you say this will follow or not? Yes, this will follow. How? See, some part of good is in the best, yes or no, and no best is pink. So the part of good in the best can't be the part of pink. Is it right or not? Yes. Is it right or not? Yes, it is right. So this is also follow. Now all best being color is a possibility. So all best being color is a possibility. Yes, there is a possibility, because between best and pink there is a relationship of no, but between best and color there is no definite relationship. So you can form all best into the color. So this will also follow. Now the all blue being best is a possibility. So all blue being best is a possibility. Yes, there is a possibility, because between blue and best you don't have a perfect relationship. Okay. Now some sky is best. Now they are saying some sky is best. Now this will not logically follow, because we don't know about these things, because between sky and best we don't have a perfect relationship. So that's why this will not follow, and it will be your answer, that is option number E. Yeah, right. Sai Akhil, that is right. Okay. Anonymous Saharth, that is also right. Okay, done. Very good. Okay, now moving on to the next question. So statement is given, only a few keyboard is laptop. Okay, again only few is there. This is keyboard, this is laptop. So few keyboard is laptop, and if it is only few, that is for sure some part of keyboard will not be laptop. Is it clear? Now some laptop is monitor, some laptop are monitor, and no monitor is IC. Okay, no monitor is IC. Done. Okay, now conclusion number 1. Some keyboard is not laptop. So some keyboard is not laptop. That is very obvious, because if you are saying only a few keyboard is laptop, it means some keyboard are not laptop. That is right. Now all laptop being IC is a possibility. So all laptop being IC is a possibility? No. Why? See, all laptop means you are taking all the laptop, mean including this part as well into the IC. But this part includes what? Monitor, and no monitor is IC. So the part of laptop in the monitor can't be the part of IC, so you can't take all laptop being IC is a possibility. So this is wrong. So only first follow, that is option number A will be the right answer. Yep, done. Very good. Very good. Everyone is doing great. Yes. Now moving ahead to the next question. Okay. Now simple question of coding decoding. Okay. Simple question of coding decoding. If country is coded as FRXQWUB, then what is the code of examine? Okay. Very easy. Let's see. First of all, what you have to do, just write down the place value, because with place value you can easily solve the question. Very easy. Okay, so C is 3, O is 15, U is 21, N is 14, T is 20, R is 18 and Y is 25. And write down the place value of this code just parallel to this one. So F is 6, R is 18, X is 24, Q is 17, W is 23, U is 21 and B is 2. Now see, this is plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. And now you will say, sir, is it plus 3? Yes, because 25 plus 3 it is 28 and 28 letters are not there. But whenever the counting comes above 26, you have to start again. So 26, 27, 28 means it is 1, it is 2. So there is 2. So it means you are adding 3 in each and every letter. So let's do same here. So E is on 5, plus 3 it is 8, so it will be H. So in every option there is H. After X plus 3 that will be A, yes. After A it will be D, yes. So this option will be the wrong one. Now M plus 3 that is 16, that should be P, yes, P is there. I 9 plus 3 that is 12, so L should be there, so this is also wrong. Now N 14 plus 3 17, so Q should be there, so this is also wrong. Now E that is 5 plus 3 8, yes, this will be the right answer, option number B. Done? Hope so till here it is clear to you. Yes, everyone is giving the answer. That is Ganesh is giving, and anonymous Arth is giving, and Ganesh is also giving the answer. Very good. Now let's see the next question. Okay, so next question is again of coding decoding, but this is what you call substitutional. Actually name is substitutional, but most of you will say it is a Chinese coding. So you can say it is a Chinese or you can say substitutional. Both are right. Okay. So how to solve the question in such type of coding decoding? Just read the question. I will not take the information. I just come to the question. How is nice coded in the code language? So we need the code of nice. So first of all, check where the nice is used in the sentences. First it is not nice, in the second it is not nice, in the third you have nice, and in the fourth you have good, color and design. You don't have nice. So nice is only given in the third sentence, means its code should be only from these four, but it should not be used anywhere else. Like if you see NA is used somewhere, no, it can be right now. Now see, if you are checking the code of this sentence, that is 4 codes, so you have to check each and every one. Okay, don't go with the first one. Now NA can be your answer right now. After that HI, can HI be your answer? See, HI is not in the first, not in the second, not in the fourth, so HI can be your answer. After that GA can be your answer, no, because GA is used here, but in the fourth sentence there is no word that is nice. Okay, so it can't be. PA is used in the second one, but there is no nice word used in the second sentence, so it can't be your answer. So we are having two answers, that is NA or HI. So either NA or HI, that is option number D will be the right answer. Very good, everyone is giving the answer, and please do like the video, guys. Please do like the video. Okay, now let's see the second question. Which of the following will be the code as NA, HI, LA? Okay, we need the code of NA, HI and LA. Now see, for NA and HI, okay, these two codes are unique code in this sentence, that is in the third sentence. Okay, first was nice, that is very sure, and other one is HI. So HI is not used somewhere else. So first of all, nice is a word that is not used anywhere. After that, if you see word design, that is used here, so it can't be. Now R is used here, it can't be. Now the word that is left, again a unique word, that is very, that is not used anywhere else. So nice and very should be there in the option first of all. So nice and very is there, nice and very is not in this one, so it is wrong. This is also wrong, and this is also wrong. So only option we are left with B or E. Okay, B or E. But let's check what is the code for LA. So LA is used where? LA is here. Okay, not in the third, not in the fourth, not in the first. So LA is only in the second. So word will be only used in second. So first of all, can new be the code of LA? Okay, can new be the code of LA? Sorry, LA is in the first as well. Okay, LA is in the first and second both. Okay, but in the first and second there is no word new is common. Okay, note it can't be. Then clothes. So clothes is here, it can be. R and R, it can be. Good and good, it can be. Right now it can be. Okay, but see, what can you now see? If you see the word good, it is also used in the fourth, but in the fourth you don't have LA, so good can't be the code of LA. Now it comes to be R. So R is in the first and second, but it is also used in the third. but in the third you don't have LA, it means R can't be. So only code left, that is of cloth. So it means option B will become the right answer. Yes, right. Option B will be the right answer. Yes, very good. Done? Clear? Okay, so now let's see the next questions. Okay, now the question is based on order and ranking. Okay, now the question is based on order and ranking. Simple question, just do as fast as you can. Okay, now see what we have. There are 6 person M, N, O, P, Q, R having different height. So first of all, there are 6 persons. So arrange the 6 person in decreasing order of their height. I am arranging them in decreasing order. You can arrange them in increasing or whatever you want. Okay, increasing or decreasing, but I love to prefer decreasing order. Okay, now N is heavier than only R. Now what we have, that N should be heavier than only R, means N should be lighter than other 4 person. Okay, N should be lighter than other 4 person. So N will come here, and N is heavier than only R, so R will come here. Yes or no? Now 2 person are either lighter than Q or heavier than Q. Now there should be 2 person either lighter. If it is lighter than Q, it can be Q here, and if there are 2 person heavier than Q, so it can be Q here. Yes or no? But we will see it later on. Now P is heavier than M, but not the heaviest. Now what we have, that P should be heavier than M. P should be heavier than M, but not the heaviest. Means one person should be there who will be heavier than P. That is very sure. That is very sure. Is it clear or not? Yes or no? Done? Okay, so now we have to see where you can now put the informations. Okay, where you can now put the informations so that you can solve the question. So first see, if M is heavier than only 2 person. So if M is heavier than only 2 person, it means M must be here. If M is here, Q must be here. Yes or no? And then P will be here, because heaviest is not the P. So what is the position of Q? So what is the position of Q? So Q will be here. That is third heaviest. Okay, so second heaviest person is not. Heavier than M? Yes, heavier than M. This will be your answer. Done? Clear or not? That will become your answer, because we don't know the right position from the question, but from the information that is given in the question makes the complete diagram. Done? Okay, now let's see the next question. Okay, again we have a question of order, but this is different. Okay, so what we have, there are 5 different racks L, H, I, J and K having different number of shells. Okay, so total we have 5 racks, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 in decreasing order. Yes or no? Done? Okay, now see, J has more shelves than I but less than K. Now see, J has more shelves than I but less than K. Okay, so they can come anywhere in the table. Okay, or you can say the arrangement we have made. Okay, now I has more shelves than L. Okay, so I must have more shelves than L. That is obvious. That is right. Now 2 racks are between J and H. When the racks are arranged according to increasing order of their shelves. Okay, now what we have, if we are arranged them in increasing order, there are 2 racks between J and H. Okay, there are 2 racks between J and H. Now see, if J is here, okay, can you take 2 racks then H here? Okay, that become total 6. And if you see here, you can have H. But see, they are saying there are 2 racks between J and H when the racks are arranged according to the increasing order of their shelves. Okay, but we have arranged in decreasing order. Yes or no? Yes or no? So first it will be J in increasing order, then it will be 2, then it will be H. Okay, it will be like this. Done? Is it clear? Okay, so the information we have to put now in this information, that there should be 2 boxes between J and H, or sorry, cell racks, but H should be heavier than J. Okay, H should be heavier than J, so it will be H here like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So H will be here, K will be here, J will be here, I, L, and then you have H like here. Okay, this will be the arrangement. Done? Now what we have, that L has 5, so L has 5 and J has 12. Okay, now how many racks have more shelves than I? Sorry. Okay, so how many more have than I? That is 3. So option number C will be the right answer. Answer will be 3, guys. Answer will be 3. Sorry, this H will not come here because total there are 5 shells. Okay, there are total 5 shells. Okay. Is it right or not, guys? Done or not? Okay, let me check. First of all, there are 2 racks between J and H. Okay, okay, okay. Sorry. Okay. So we have information K, J and I, that is there. Okay, and then you have L. Okay, so there are 2 racks between J and H. Total there are 5. So it is obvious that you can't have 2 racks this side because total in all we have 5 racks. So it must be H here. Okay, yes, this will be the arrangement. Yes, right. So heavier than I, there will be only 2. Yes, option number B will be the right answer. Yes, now it is right. Yes, now it is right. 2 will be there. Yes, 2 will be there. Okay, so now let's see the next question. Okay, so the 2 questions are there and they are based on what? Inequality. Okay, so we have 2 questions that are based on inequality. So let's see. First, the statement we have in 3 parts. So first conclusion is 12 to 14. So now we have to reach from 12 to 14. So how you can reach? You have to go from 12 to 11 and 11 to 14. So when you are going from 12 to 11 in backward direction, this less than equals to become greater than equals to, greater and equals to, when you are going from 11 to 14. So greater equals to, greater and equals to, you must have greater, there is greater equals, so this is wrong. Done. Now 13 to 9. So you have to reach from 13 to 9. So how you can reach? First of all, you have to go from 13 to 11, then 11 to 10, then 10 to 9, like this. So when you are going from 10 to 13 in backward direction, this greater will become less. 11 to 10 you are going in backward, so this less will become greater. And whenever you have greater and less together, you can't find the final conclusion. So none is true will be your answer. Option number D. Yes, right. Right. Now let's see the next question. We have to reach from Z to X. So how you can reach from Z to X? That is directly given, Z to X. So if it is X to Z, it is less than, then Z to X it will be greater, but there you have less, so this is wrong. Now X to W. So X to W. X to W, when W to X it is greater, so X to W it will be less than. There is greater, so this is also wrong. Now N to M. So where is N? N is here and M is here. So N to M, this is less than equals to. Okay, N to M, this is less than equals to, but they have greater than equals to, so this is also wrong. So none is true, that is option number D. So for both, none is true will be your answer. Yes. For both, none is true will be your answer. Yes, right. Done? Clear? Okay, so now we are moving on to the next questions. So let's see a very simple of alphabet based question. Okay, how many such pair of letters are there in the word examiner, each of which has many letters between them in the word as in the English alphabet? Now see, this is your choice. You want to do it by a letter or numbers. I prefer to do it by numbers because it is very easy. Like see, E is 5, X is 24, A is 1, M is 13, I is 9, N is 14, E is 5 and R is 18. Okay, like this. So I have to check what only one thing, that start from 5 and start counting. If you are coming on the same number as you are counting, it will be one pair. Like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This will be a pair. 10, 11, 12. Other than that, there is no pair after 5. Now 24, 25, 26, 1, 2, 3, no pair. So from now from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also pair. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, no pair. 9, 10, 11, 12, no pair. 14, 15, no pair. Now start checking in backward. 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25. Okay, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So this will be a pair. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, no pair. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, no pair. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13, 14, 15, 1, 2, 3, no pair. So only 3 pair will be there. That is option number E. That's it. There will be 3 pairs. There will be 3 pairs. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 16, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. There will be 3 pair, guys. There will be 3 pairs. Guys, there will be 3 pair. Anonymous, Sahar, there will be 3 pair. Is it clear or not? Okay, so now moving ahead. Okay, now again we have a sitting arrangement now, and it is a linear and it is a certain number, means the number of person you don't know in this type of question. Okay, that is what this type of question is for. It is easy, just you need to understand from where you have to start. So first of all, let's see what we have. A certain number of people are sitting in a linear row and all of them are facing the north direction. So we don't know the number of person. Okay, now first M sits 8th to the left of J. Now what we have, that M should be 8th to the left of J. Okay, so if somewhere it is J, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, on 8th position there will be M. Yes or no? Done. Now N sits 4th to the right of K. Now we have N should be 4th to the right of K. Done. And this should be done like this. Okay, now O sits immediate left of P. Now O should be immediate left of P. Okay, done. L sits exactly in the middle of K and J. Now what we have, that L exactly between K and J. Okay, so L should be exactly between K and J. Exactly means the distance, this is X, this should be X. Yes or no? But we don't know who is to the left, who is to the right of L. Okay, now P sits third from the extreme end of the row. Okay, right end of the row. Okay, now see, from here if you want to start you can. Okay, like see, if you know that P is at the right end, so suppose this is the right end, suppose this is the right end, 1 2 3, at this position there will be P, and O is immediate left of P, so O will come here. Yes or no? Done. Okay, next, number of people between J and P is same as that between K and J. Okay, so number of person between J and P, if it is X, equals to number of person between K and J. Okay, done. Only 10 people are sitting to the left of J. Okay, so the left of J there will be only 10 person. So see, to the left of J the position of M is 8, so 9 and 10, so this will be the arrangement. To the left of J there can be only these 10 person. Yes or no? Done. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, now only 6 people sits between N and O. So between N and O there are 6 person, so it can't be to the right because O is 4 from the right end, because this is the right end. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, there should have N. Yes or no? Now N is 4th to the right of K, so 1 2 3, there you must have K. Yes or no? Is it done? Okay, next, number of people between M and J. So number of person between M and J is same as the between Q and J. Okay, so this will be like this. Yes or no? Done. Now see what we have. First of all, how you can now proceed on further. Now see, we have the person between J and P must be equals to K and J. So it means you must have J between K and P. You must have J between K and P. So between K and P, if you see, there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11 person. So it should be 5 from K side and 5 from P side. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. So J will come here. Yes or no? Because J is between K and P, because the distance between J and P is equals to K and J, and it can be only possible when J is between K and P. Yes or no? Now to the left of J there are only 10 persons. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So 10 person come here. Yes or no? Yes or no? And M will be here at this position. Done. Clear? Okay, till here I think it is clear to you right now. And number of person between M and J. So between M and J there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 person. So between J and Q there should be 7 person. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, Q will come here. Yes or no? Is it clear? Now we are left with L, and L is between what? J and K. So J is here and K is here. Okay, so L will come here. Yes or no? Done. And this is done. This is the final arrangement. That's it. So total number of person, if you see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 and 19. Okay, total 19 person will be there. Okay, total 19 person will be there. Is it clear or not, guys? Saharth, there will be not 37, there will be only 19 person. There will be only 19 person. Okay, now moving ahead. Okay, so we will have this will be the last, okay, last question of our session, because this will be the fourth set of our puzzle or sitting, and total 35 questions will be covered in that. Okay, now we have 10 person A to J are sitting in two parallel row such that 5 members are sitting in each row. The person sitting in row 1 faces to the north, while person in the row 2 faces south direction. Okay, so first of all, you have two rows. Okay, you have two rows, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and same here, 1 2 3 4 and 5. These person are facing north and these person are facing south. Yes or no? And row 1 is facing north. So this is the row 1, this is the row 2. Now we don't know the person in which row which person is there. Okay, so therefore then the given seating arrangement, person sitting in the row 1 are facing the person in the sitting row 2. Okay, so let's see. C is sitting in the middle of the row. Now C is in the middle. Okay, if C is in the middle, it can be in the row 1, it can be in the row 2. So there are two possibilities. Yes or no? First of all, let me know this thing. There will be two possibilities. Yes or no, guys? Okay, so C either can be here or C either can be here. Yes or no? Done. Okay, now G sits immediate left of the person who faces C. Now C is facing this person and G is sitting immediate left of this, so G will be here. And in this case, C is facing this person and this person is facing south, so G will come here. Yes or no? Done. Very easy. Now F sits at the extreme end of the row. Now F is at the extreme end, but extreme end can be here 4 position. Here it is 4 position, so you can't solve it. So write down, take it as F at the extreme. Done. Now B sits third to the left of the person who faces F. Now this is very important. B is third to the left of the person who faces F. Now see, suppose if I am taking F here, suppose, and this person is facing F, to the left of this person, can you have B? No, there is no possibility. So you can't do it. Yes or no? First of all, F can't be here. Done. Now if I am putting F here, this person is facing F and third to the left, there is already G, so you can't put B. So also F can't come here. Yes or no? Done. Now if I am putting F here, this in front of this person and this person left is this side, can't you have B? No, you can't have. So this is also wrong. You can't have F here. So the only possibility F can be here, and this person is facing F, to the third left, there you must have B. Same goes here. If you can't put F here first of all and here, that is very obvious. You can't have F here and F here. Now if you are putting F here, this person is facing F, left will be this side and third left there is already G. So you can't have put F here. So the only possibility left F here, this person is facing, sorry, not this position. You are left with this position. So if F is here, this person is facing F. So third to the left, 1, 2, 3, there you must have B. Done or not? Clear? Okay, now number of persons sitting between H and J. Okay, so number of persons sitting between H and J is 2 less than the number of persons between A and D. Whatever the person between A and D, there will be 2 less than between H and A. So it means minimum there will be 2 persons between A and D. Yes or no? There will be minimum 2 persons between A and D. Is it clear or not? First of all, let me know this thing. Okay, minimum 2 persons should be there between A and D. So where is the possibility first of all for A and D? In the row 1 of the case number 1, there is no possibility for A and D, because you need minimum 2 persons. So you can't have A and D in this case. So A and D must come at these either here or here, either here or here. And same goes here. If you see, A and D can't come at these two positions, because you must have 2 persons between A and D. So in the case number 2, you can't have A and D in the row number 2. They must be in the row number 1. Okay, but let's see next. A is not an immediate neighbor of B. Now A can't be at this position. So A can be here, can be here. This is right now, it is a possibility. You can do anything right now. Okay. Now I sits in the row 1. Now I must be in the row 1 in both the cases. Okay. So you can write it down. I is in the row number 1. Okay. I is in the row number 1. Now H does not sit at the extreme end of the row. Now let's see. H is not at the end. Okay. H is not at the end. Done. And D sits third to the left of E. Now what we have, that D must be third to the left of E. Okay. So now see, first of all, what we have decided, that A and D come at these, in this first possibility, A and D will come in second row, but D must be third to the left of E. So where it can be possible? Can you have D or D here? No, because left will move this side and you need D to the left of E. So it must be E here and D here and A here. Yes or no? First of all, let me know this thing. Is it clear? Done? Okay, now between A and D there are 3%. So between H and J you must need only one, because between A and D if it is 3 minus 2 it will be only 1, and H and J there should be at these two positions, but H can't come at the end. So H will be here, J will be here, and I will be here because I is one of the person to be in the row. Done. Now if you see in this case, now you know that A and D must be in the row number 1, yes or no? And if D is in the row 1, E should be there, and it is also given that I must be there, yes or no? So total 4% we needed in the row number 1, and there is already 2%. So can you make this arrangement? No, you can't make this arrangement. Done. So this will become your right answer. Okay, this will become your right formation. Okay, let's see now the question we are having. If switch is coded as 91, okay. So I think it will be based on numbers. Okay, it will be based on numbers somewhere. So hope so. This is clear to you right now. Okay, so I think, okay, so total 35 questions we have done now. Okay, 35 questions are done, in which we have done 4 sets of sitting and puzzle, also 3 of distance and direction, and 4 of silogs, and 2 of order, and 2 of inequality with that. And what we have done else, 1 is of for number and 2 is for coding decoding. So 3 plus 4 7, 2 9, and 2 11, plus 3 14. Okay, so we are left with what? Okay, I think 3 question of inequality, whatever it is. So total 35 question we have covered, okay, in this session, and it will be the most expected questions. Okay, they are the most expected pattern of your SBI PO Pre 2020. So hope so you must have find the session helpful, and if really find the session helpful, please do like the session. Okay, comment your doubts, okay, your reviews about the videos, and do share it with your friends. Okay, do share the link with your friends so that they can also if they can get benefited from this session. Thank you so much. We are winding up the session now.